Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to integrate Webflow with Google Tag Manager or to connect them together. So to connect them, you need first to use the Google Site Tools for Webflow app. So integrate the GTM, Google Analytics GA and Google Search Console SC with your Webflow site using the Google Site Tools for Webflow app, as you can see here. So you simply have to go and install the application, and this method will provide a visual code face setup for unified Google services, automatic script placement, and team permission management. It is very ideal for standard site-wide implementations for advanced or page-specific needs and consider custom embed methods. Now, once you have done that, so once you connect it, you're simply now within the Google Tag Manager. So now you can install the Google Site Tool apps, you can log into the Google account, and within it, you can select and content the right GTM container. So you can choose your desired GTM container from the app interface and configure permission and verify integration. Because basically, what the Google Tag Manager do is simply it helps you manage custom code embedding, and basically it helps you make a custom code or script inside of your site. That is exactly what it does. So this will help you a lot to simply do it manually and automatically at the same time. As you can see here, you can simply by one click install Google Analytics, Search Console, and Tag Manager at the same time, which is our topic today, which is the Tag Manager. So here you have it. Simply click on Connect Now, and this is how they would look like once you open it. So as you can see, this is the Tag Manager, and yeah, it's pretty easy and simple. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. And for those who this topic didn't work for them, make sure to contact the support team. They will help you a lot.